Today I'm going to teach you how to prime the pump. If you turn your pump and it's not recirculating the water, then I will show you step by step how to prime it and get it to work normally. Let's start. To begin, your pump will get empty whenever it is installed in a higher point than the level of water of the swimming pool. For example, this pump that I just put here is above the water level, and therefore water will go down and the pump will get empty all the time. And the right way to solve this is to install the pump in a lower point, for example this point, that is at least at the level of the water of the swimming pool. That way water will be always filling the pump. So now that you know why you have this problem, let's see step by step how to prime the pump whenever it is installed in a higher point than the level of the water. As you can see, in this pump there is no water, and that is because it is installed in a higher point than the level of the water of the pool. So now, to prime it, the first step is to configure the filter multiport valve in the filter position. Then open the returns valve. That way is closed. That way it is open. And if you want to know which one of your valves is which one, through the console's button in the app Drive Your Pool, you can ask me by sending me a video. The next step is to close any valve that can let water pass to the pump. In this installation I only have two valves that are the skimmer and the main drain. The next step is to take water from the pool or from any place you want. Take a lot of water so that you can fill the pump completely. Now open the pump, fill it with the water. Wait a little so the water fills all the tubes and continue filling. Look at that, and fill it until it's completely full of water. A little bit more. A little bit more. And once it is completely full, close it very well. And the next step has to be done very fast, and it is to open half of the valve and then turn on the pump immediately. Look how I do it. Open half and turn on the pump immediately. That way you can see how water goes to the pump, and you have to wait like that with half of the valve open until all the air comes out. This time it looks like all the air already passed through the pump. So I finished opening the valve completely, and then you can see how it is working, filling with water. Once you finish doing one of the valves, continue to the next. Open just half of it. Wait until all the water fills inside the pump, and once all the air has come out, open it completely. And that is the way to prime a pump. The result has to be a full pump working perfectly. And if you go to the swimming pool, water has to be flowing through the jets normally. That way, when there are no more bubbles of air, you know that the pump is working fine. And that's everything for this video. If you need more help, use the console button in the app Drive Your Pool. You just need to subscribe, and subscription is safe through the Google Play or the App Store. Also, if you want to see more content about swimming pools, subscribe, because I upload one new video with the best info about pools for you every week. Bye bye.